Welcome to the new video, and I'm going to continue my discussion on endogeneity issues. In this video, we are going to discuss about the second source of endogeneity, which is called measurement errors. And this actually, there are so many different types of mechanisms behind it. We are not going to go into too much details, but all I'm trying to do is simply show you if you want or you suspect that your data might have measurement errors, how you can ask Stata to analyze your model and determine whether your assumption is true or not. Instead of just assuming that you might have measurement errors and apply various types of sophisticated models, why not just perform the test? So to do that, what you can do, you can use a very simple command which is called dgmtest, and this is how you can run it. So instead of running a regression with reg command, you can just use dgmtest, and this test is called Delgado and Manteggia test, and it has a null hypothesis which indicates that the empirical model you design has no measurement errors. So if you run the test, as you can see in the status window, output window, I already have run it. And the Delgado and Manteggia test is telling us that it's way below here under the test results. The CVM test results is showing that the p-value is 0 actually, so that's below 0.05. So at 1% level we can reject the null hypothesis, which indicate that you are accepting the alternate hypothesis that your empirical model has measurement errors. And so this is one of the source of endogeneity which might affect your empirical model. So the first source of endogeneity we discussed in the previous video is about omitted variable. So in my data set, I don't have any omitted variable problem, but I have measurement errors. So we will need, when we proceed further from the test stage and move on to endogeneity correction stage, we will have to identify the analysis or the techniques that is suitable to control for these measurement errors. So this is how the process should be. You first test, see what type of endogeneity issues are affecting your model, then identify what type of test is more suitable to control for those type of errors, and then see whether after you control for the results, whether your OLS and the endogeneity corrected results, they remain consistent. So we are going to talk about what type of empirical models are more suitable to control for measurement errors later. But in this video, I just wanted to show you that you can just run a DGM test to determine whether you have measurement errors in your dataset or not. If you have any comment, please feel free to drop it in the chat box. Also going to put some information in the description that might help you. One more thing, just before I leave, I want to tell you that sometimes, if you can see on my left, I tried to run the DGM test before, but it did not run and it gave me an error. And let me show you the error code. It says that here y has missing values. So if you have a missing value in the dependent variable, it might give you this function return error. All you have to do is preserve the model, drop the dependent variable if the missing value in the dependent variable, that is what I did, and then I ran. So just to let you know whether if you come to this error here, function return error, just I'll try to find out which one. Y in here is the dependent variable that the CVM test identified. Remove the missing values using the drop command. If you can see, drop if ROA is double equal dot dot is the missing one, and it uh, detected one and dropped it, and then I have returned back to this. I tried the test and it ran. Hope this information is useful. Don't worry about any errors. You can fix it, and you can always write in the chat box if you face any problem. If I am able to help, I will try my best. Thank you. Bye.